Stories of twins sensing each other's pain or finishing each other's thoughts have captivated us for centuries. But what does science actually tell us about twin telepathy? Popular culture answers with romance and mystery, but science answers with measurement. After surveying behavioral genetics, neuroscience, and probability theory, researchers find no reliable evidence for extrasensory transmission between twins. Across 50 years studying 14.5 million twin pairs, scientists have found that heritability averages about 49% across human traits. Identical twins naturally resemble each other in temperament and preferences, creating those uncanny moments of synchronicity without any need for mind-to-mind signals. Modern scientific reporting consistently reaches the same conclusion: compelling anecdotes, but weak evidence for ESP. When we witness a loved one in pain, specific brain regions activate, the anterior cingulate cortex and insula, creating empathic distress without any paranormal transmission. Neuroscience separates the emotional component of pain from the sensory component, explaining why we can feel someone else's suffering. Twin language studies reveal that cryptophagia, those secret communication systems, arise from ordinary learning between unusually synchronized partners. Statisticians have long understood that when millions of events are possible, improbable pairings become inevitable, the law of truly large numbers. With millions of twins worldwide, birthday alignments, simultaneous phone calls, and matching life details will surface regularly and be remembered far more than near misses. Rigorous reanalyses of parapsychology studies typically erase positive findings. When telepathy claims are tested with proper controls and blinding, the effects disappear. Recent studies reporting physiological connections between twins are intriguing but not decisive. Sample sizes are modest and controls imperfect. The correct scientific posture is curious caution, pending independent pre-registered replications with strong blinding and rigorous analysis. Nothing in the scientific data diminishes the sanctity of twin bonds. If anything, the science ennobles them. Shared creation, shared nurture, and empathy are themselves wondrous. To mistake coincidence for causation would be to undervalue the divine gifts already evident in our nature. Wisdom calls us to use reason and honor truth wherever it appears. If anyone wishes to test twin telepathy claims, the method is clear. Pre-register predictions, use proper blinding, randomize targets, and replicate across laboratories. This is the minimum threshold for evidence that could shift scientific consensus. The most economical explanation for twin telepathy is a quartet of normal forces: genetic similarity, shared environments, empathic brain systems, and the mathematics of coincidence. The romance of the twin bond survives. The hypothesis of mind-to-mind transmission does not. Wisdom sits with wonder, but keeps its feet firmly on the ground.